How to add Figma as a plugin on Wix Studio. So in order to add Figma as your plugin, first things first, head over right here to this apps and then go right here into the app market. Now it should be able to redirect you to the app market page of your Wix. So what you can do right here is to just click onto this search bar right here, or you can also use this other search bar that we have. And then from in there, just type in Figma, and then you should be able to see in here some search result suggestions. Now, if you can find it right here, we can head over right here to this article from Figma. You can just search for Figma to Wix Studio, and we have in here this particular add-in that can export the frames of Figma into your Wix Studio. Then click onto this Open in Figma option, and then make sure that you're already logged in into your Figma. Once you're logged in, click onto this Open In option, and you can choose in here your file that you want to use. For example, let's choose in here this file of Figma that I have created in the past. And then from in there, it should be able to open that particular file on Figma and help us put it into our Wix Studio. In here, we can see this. So it will show up this. Just click onto this Run option right here. Click on Next, and it will load this Figma to a Wix Studio. So once it's done loading, it should be able to help you with this particular panel. Now just head over and then change the properties on the panel that you desire, and then just bind it to your Wix Studio in order to connect it right here. Just head over, click onto this Get Started, click onto this I'm Done. As you can see, we just need to copy the Figma URL and onto our Wix Studio site, just paste the link under Tools and Import from Figma. So for example, right here, let's copy in here this particular URL. Then click on Next, or you can also just go over right here to your Wix. Now in here onto our left sidebar, you should be able to see in here this. So let's go over right here into our Tools. And then from in there, just head over and click onto this Start Export option that we can see right here. And then should be able to export that. So that's how you actually add Figma as a plugin to Wix Studio. Hope we helped.